Jorge and I spent 4 days on the spice island of the Caribbean, Grenada. We spent one whole day hopping around the island to see what we could learn about local culture and history, which meant picking a few highlights of the island to see. Join us as we share our island excursion with you in Grenada. Concord Falls is an easily accessible waterfall in Grenada, with steps leading to a pool at the bottom. Falls are surrounded by tropical greenery, making it a popular spot for swimming, picnicking, and taking photos.
The yellow part is like a fruit. You peel that little yellow piece off and you can boil it and make nutmeg juice. That's how you get juice out of nutmeg, not the exact nutmeg. The part, you see? Oh yeah.
The Nutmeg Museum in Grenada is a must-visit for anyone interested in learning about the island's most famous export. The museum includes exhibits on the history of nutmeg cultivation in Grenada, the nutmeg processing process, and the different uses of nutmeg. Visitors can also sample nutmeg products and purchase souvenirs. The Jove Chocolate Factory in Grenada is a bean-to-bar chocolate factory that produces award-winning chocolate from locally grown cocoa beans. Visitors can take a tour of the factory to learn about the chocolate-making process and sample varieties of Jove chocolate, the best part.
In this room, two different types of sorting. We start with the machine and
So we are approaching the second city. Name it after a fruit, guava.
At the River Antoine RUM distillery in Grenada, rum is made using traditional methods that have been passed down for generations. Sugarcane juice is fermented in open-topped tanks using wild yeast and then distilled in copper pot stills. Thank you so much for joining us on our one-day trip around the beautiful island of Grenada. If you've never been, you should definitely consider visiting this beautiful island with its warm tropical weather and peaceful and vibrant people. Hope you loved it. Bye!